Hello, friends. Welcome to Stocks for Retail Investors. Do not lose your hard earned money in gambling. Find out a proper stock and invest in the right time. If you want to get more stocks, more information about stocks, and to know about when to buy and what is the target, do subscribe our channel and click on alert button. Today we are going to discuss on Bajaj Electricals. There is a couple of reasons why we are discussing this stock today. The first is its first we will go through its fundamental, and secondly, we will go through a news, and third is the technical chart. The first thing, this is their annual report I have opened, and so here you can see the key highlights. So this is a revenue from operations is 8.1% degrowth. Has been a degrowth in the revenue, and that reflects in the chart also. The EBITDA has grown by 46.3% at 372 crores. This is a small cap company, and then cash flow from operations has grown by 5.1%. Debt has there is a reduction in its debt by 491 crores, and so these are the details. There is around 2,956, around 3,000 employees, and it has presence in 36 plus countries. So it not only performs its business in India, but it has a global outreach. The second here it can see the Bajaj Electricals product occupies number one position in 3 out of 12 high potential categories: mixing appliances, water heaters, irons. Number two position in the overall B2B illumination segment. Leading position in outdoor lighting, street area and stadium and high mast and pole segment among top searched and discovered brands. So next come to this one here. So here you can see that it is a company since its inception in 1938. So it has a long history. Before independence, this company was established in 1938. Bajaj Electricals has grown to become a globally renowned and trusted brand, recognized for its unique and innovative solution for customer and business. So everyone uses Bajaj appliances. So it's a well-known brand and trusted brand. Now, next, here you can see there is different kinds of consumer products: home comfort, home essentials, room heater, air cooler, iron, water heater, fans, lightings, and as cooking essentials, electric cooker, induction cooker, non-stick, and etc. There are various breakfast and snacks, coffee maker, electric. So there is a long list of items: food preparation, mixer, grinder, hand blender. So there are a lot of items, and it also has presence in the illumination segment in indoor and outdoor lighting solutions. Uh, then it has a power transmission and power distribution also. So here you can see our power transmission and distribution segments are meeting the growing electricity demands of this country and paving the path for sustainable infrastructure development. This is the thing. Then next come to their financial report. So here you can see this company is home electronics and appliances. I've already discussed that. It's a small cap company with a market cap of 12,000 crores. Stock is ranked 300. Now next, P ratio is 63.02. It's a bit high. The sector P ratio is a negative, so it's much better than that. Sector dividend yield is 0.50, and its dividend it doesn't pay dividend much. So this is the details about them. The next thing is, let's go to the financials here. So here you can see the revenue has grown from 2018 to 19. It took a dip in 2020, and then revenue is down 2021 also. So that's a negative thing. Now EBITDA has grown from 18 to 19, and then it went down by 20, but improved in 2021. So that's a positive one. Now, net income has grown from 83.64 to 156 and then to 190. So this is a quite promising. uh, we have to ignore the 2020 because of the covid pandemic. Everything is down. Earning per share is positive, 8.03 to 14.93 and then to 16.69. So these are the negative here I can see is the revenue. Now, next come to this. This is their annual chart. I will go through the news. Just before that, let's see the best strengths. Here, it's in money control. The strength is showing a strong annual EPS growth. Promoter is decreasing their shareholding. That is a weakness. Opportunities brokers upgraded recommendation or target price in the past three quarter. So this is their chart. I will go to their chart later. Let's before that. So let's go to the big sharks who are invested in this. So Rakesh Jhunjhunwala again. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Premji and Associates, Radhakishan Damani, Mukul Agarwal, Ashish Dhawan, and a long list. Ashish Kacholia, long list. So majority of the individual big sharks have invested in this company. Institutional investors are also there. Many of the small cap mutual funds have this company. So it has that shows its strength. And FII is also invested in this. So it's a good sign. It's a positive thing. Now, why I am discussing this stock today is because of this news. Bajaj Electricals share price jumps 10% after board approves review of corporate structure. So this news came today morning. The board of directors has decided that the company should undertake a comprehensive review of the existing corporate structure. So there will be some changes, and that will be in a positive uh, direction. Share price jumped 10% to rupees 1159 intraday on December 10 of the company announced that it's going to review the corporate structure. At 9:50, the script traded at 1113.90, up 8.05 on the PSE, while the benchmark Sensex was down. The board of directors of the company at its meeting held on December 9 has authorized some of the directors and officials of the company to review the corporate structure of the company to unlock growth and value creation for all business segments. Bajaj Electricals said in a regulatory filing. So there has to be some positive news. The company is currently engaged in consumer products and engineering, procurement, and construction segment. So this is the news that I was talking about. Over the past couple of years, the power transmission and distribution business verticals have sharpened their operational focus, ensuring project closures, increased cash flow, reduction in receivables. So we believe this time is now ripe to build further on this and review our structure to enable unconstrained business growth for each business segment. We will continue to leverage our legacy and our strengths in our people, project management, operations and manufacturing to better serve our customers and all stakeholders, he added. So this is the news I was talking about. So this I'm focusing on the stock today because of this news. Now next come to the daily chart. If I hold the month, first go to the monthly chart. If you see a longer period, this kind of companies which is has a long history of establishment, sometimes they comes down and again they recovers. So there is no need to worry about this kind of stocks in a longer time frame. Here you can see in 2008 it was trading at around 150, then it went down, again it went up, and this up down it goes on. But in the longer time period, if you hold it for 5 10 years, then definitely it gives you a good return. Sorry. So this is the thing. In 11,318, it was trading, and then it went to a high of 1100, 5 times, 3 times. Very sorry, I have a bad throat today. And so this is the thing. So from the chart, you can understand in a long time frame, if you have hold it, how much profit this kind of stocks returns. This is the thing. Now If you come to the daily chart, see here, it was at its highest at 1585 in the month of September, and then it continuously came down, and a long correction has been made. And now, to me, it seems to be at its um period, at its support zone. So this was a support zone. It took a support at this, and then continuously growth. If the news supports the nifty market starts growing, the stock will, in very recently, you can easily see around 1300, and if it breaks 1300, then there is a high chance that it may go till 1600. So there is a long scope of growing. So to me, the next resistance will be 1300, and then if it crosses 1300 with volumes and positive news, then it can easily touch 1600. So before investing, do your own analysis also. Understand the fundamental and the technical charts, and then invest. Thank you.